We are gonna make a card today, the Butterfly Fantasies. It's a 3D folio card. It comes with these beautiful colored pages and little butterflies and gingham. So I've already cut everything out. So we've got 4 butterflies, 2 with the little tab. These are our pages and these are our extras, our envelopes and our cute little decorations. You're also gonna need a double-sided tape pen or glue or quick dry glue. The first thing we're gonna do, we'll get these 2 together. We wanna score that. I like to do it on the end of the table, so that way I get it nice and straight. So I started it. Now we're just gonna finish it. And you know, something heavy duty. And then the next one, we'll start it. Okay, so now we're gonna try and line these up. We're gonna glue, so that way it's a little, we can reposition it. The tape you cannot reposition. I'm trying to kind of, you know, match those up. Doesn't have to be exact. And we're gonna do the same thing here. Let's get some glue out of there. There we go. So here, I am gonna kind of trim them up so that you don't see all of the extra. Then we're gonna just take some inks and hide more of it. Let's see. That one's actually pretty good. Distressing inks are perfect to hide all of that kind of stuff. I like the vintage look. We'll do this now so it'll dry by the time we're ready to put it all together. And it hides any of the mistakes that you've done when you cut your pieces out. Okay, that's all we need for that. Now we're gonna put our little, okay, now we've got the book to put together. So these 2 pieces go together. We're gonna tape that. We're gonna score the tab first. Okay. Now we're gonna tape it. And I'm just lining up the corners. Oopsie. And then we're gonna fold each sheet to the center. Then we're going to glue these down. So for this, I'm going to use the glue stick because it's repositionable. I can move it around so that I can get them to line up. So we're going to put our first piece in. Then I'm gluing the inside. So then I can match them up. Oopsie. There we go. So I'm a little off. I'm going to refold this card. There we go. Now, let's cover this. So we're going to glue everything. Oopsie, oopsie. Make sure we get all the way to the edge. Then line up the corners. We're going to cover those flaps. I'm going to line up the corners. Can't even see what I'm doing. Now we're going to fold them back like we had them. There is our sweet little card. Of course, got a little bit off, so I'm going to trim it. Now we've got all of these little extras. We'll put this one right there. So we're only going to do 3 sides. I didn't get any on that. And then this is a cute little bookmark. I am going to punch a hole and we'll add some soft pink ribbon. This is where you could use vintage lace. You can use buttons or charms. Push that through, just tie it in a knot. My fingers aren't working today. Let's slide that in there. Then this is a cute little pocket. I think we could kind of fold that and stick that there. Or, no, that takes away from our cute little butterfly. Here's another little pocket. I think we'll put that one right there. I love these wildflowers with this gingham. So you've got all of these little pieces to put in your little kit.